Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The microwave safe label on Ziploc bags covers mildly hot temperatures only. Higher temperatures can permanently deform the bags, and extreme temperatures will melt them into a puddle. This safe temperature range means Ziploc bags work well in the microwave for reheating and defrosting food and drinks.
Take our lead.
It is perfectly safe to heat food in a Ziploc bag. Ziploc bags and containers are specially manufactured for safe heating of food in the microwave or oven. They meet the safety and quality requirements of the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, for toxicity, chemicals, and melting properties.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can you microwave seafood boil bags? Put the bag into a glass mixing bowl and microwave on high for 6 minutes. Let the food rest for 2 minutes and then add the fish, clams, corn, leek and lime slices. Return the bag to the microwave for 7 minutes or until the clams have opened and the fish is cooked thoroughly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Will they melt? Well, yeah, if you subject them to high temperatures. Polyethylene plastic, which is typically used to make these bags, will start to soften at about 195 degrees Fahrenheit, 90.6 degrees Celsius. If you put them in boiling water, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius, they will melt.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ziploc brand Zip and Steam cooking bags. Each bag has patented vents that allow food to be steamed under pressure so that it is cooked thoroughly and evenly for quick, healthy, delicious meals with no mess.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.